Before every shipment, SPOWER CNC meticulously prepares and packs each piece of equipment. First, our team verifies the equipment specifications, order details, accessories, and quantities to ensure everything meets the customer's requirements. To facilitate the loading process, we apply lubricant to the support points at the base of the equipment. Once checks are complete, we use a forklift to carefully load the equipment into the container. From factory preparation to container loading, every step is handled with care to ensure your equipment arrives safely and is ready for immediate production. After the equipment is positioned, we securely fasten it inside the container to minimize movement during transit and enhance safety. Following a final inspection, the container is sealed and ready for international shipping.